Hey y'all, it's your girl Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. Y'all, I know I've been MIA for a little bit. I typically take January off to, sometimes your girl just need a break, okay? And so that doesn't mean I didn't plan for the month of January. I just didn't film it. Today we're going to be unboxing the February 2023 Jane's Agenda Deluxe subscription box, y'all. As you can see, I just cut this open. I don't know what's in here any more than you guys do, but I'm super excited to go ahead and get into it. I do have the deluxe subscription, and mine is in the half letter, I believe it's size 6. It's called size 6. So let's go ahead and, y'all, as you can see, this sucker is packed. Yeah, I wasn't gonna make it. So, oh, looky. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take this off the desk because I don't have the space up here to have the box and everything else up here. So I'm gonna take this off. Actually, I'm gonna sit it over here on the side. And the first thing that's on the top is the monthly card. As you can see, this month's theme is very light, very pretty, very elegant. We've got a lot of florals and a lot of light neutral colors. So the name of this box is Parisian Romance. Good grief, what is going on over here? Parisian Romance. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 14 items in the deluxe box. So I'm gonna sit this card up here and unbox items. Sometimes I'll try to go in the order of, but I'm just gonna grab what's here on top. So we've got this little card that says come back and shop during our warehouse sale. Definitely will be doing that. And what's on top is the page finder. I use these, I get one every month in every box to mark my monthly view, because obviously sometimes I need to flip back that way when I'm planning weekly to find out what all I have going on. But it just has this ooh, y'all, vintage French newspaper print. And again, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 punches, because it's not intended to go across the whole page. It's just a page finder. So you would stick this at the top and be able to flip to the month. So that is our page finder. And then we've got this little packet that I'm gonna open here. First thing in is the Frixion Erasable Pen. Super lightweight, y'all, and who's not here for an erasable pen? So that's how you open it and close it. Obviously this is your eraser here, and let's do a writing test. So let me grab a notepad over here. Very fine print. The ink is very light, and I'm not a great fan of the blue ink, but it is, yeah, it's kind of smooth, and it does what it says it does. It does erase. So this is the Frixion Erasable Pen. It is a 0.05 millimeter navy blue ink, and on the card it does mention that this is Jane's favorite pen. I'm gonna see if I can grab some of these in black ink. So there's our pen. Next I see a adhesive pocket. So we've got a corner pocket large. I don't need to open this. You guys have seen lots of adhesive pockets. It is a clear pocket. It has like a scalloped edge there so you can stick things in. So that's our adhesive pocket. Oh, and then we have these 2 rose gold paper clips. Cute. And our quote cards for the month is I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. And that's a quote by Elsie DeWolf. And the next one is be you bravely. And that was everything in that little packet. Next thing is we have the premium zipper pen pouch. And it's described as a blush vegan leather with champagne accents. Ooh. Y'all can get the whole thing out. This thing is soft. Oh, that's pretty. It is a very light blush color. It does have the champagne, which is a shade of gold accents. We've got the Jane's Agenda embossing there. Y'all, this thing is super soft. This is the softest thing I've felt in a long time. Oh my goodness, it's pretty big too. Y'all, I can't get over how soft this thing is. Vegan leather. I've never felt vegan leather this soft, y'all. It doesn't have a pungent smell to it either, y'all. This is nice. So we've got the premium zipper pen pouch. The next item in the box is the notations journal, and it says on the card that it's lined, and as you can see, we have the rose gold coil, and it's got a dovetail gray vegan leather. Y'all, this is soft as well. It's not as soft as a pen pouch, but it's still soft. And it says it's travel size 3.75 inches by 6.75 inches. What is that? This is personal, isn't it? I might be a little off. And it says it's got 50 sheets at 100 GSM. Y'all, this is nice. And it's so small and cute. This will fit into even your tiniest bag. So we've got it open. As I said, y'all, it's very soft. We got the Jane's Agenda embossing down there again. Okay, that's dot grid, not lined. So we've got 50 sheets of lined paper. It is 100 GSM with the rose gold coil. I've always said that gray and rose gold go together very well. So very pretty, y'all. This is the dot grid notations journal. Stick it in your purse. Take it with you. Next thing in the box is the tip-in planner insert. That's what it's named on the quote card, on the tour card. But what I see here is a habit tracker. Would it go in like this, or would it go in like this? I guess it depends on how you want it. So you could stick it in your planner like this with the dailies up here at the top, or you could stick it in your planner like this with the habit at the top. Either or, however you like it. So we've got 1 through 31, and then we've got a section for you to track your habit. And they're double-sided. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 double-sided. You've got enough for the entire year. So this is this month's tip-in, which is a monthly habit tracker. And then we get to all the good stuff. Okay, so let's grab the inserts first, because it says we have a self-care insert, and this is right on time, because if you've seen my 2023 setup, I'll link it up here somewhere. You'll see I have a self-care section in my planner that I'm barely using, outside of maybe writing down some gratitude and affirmations occasionally. But I barely use it, and now I have something to use it in, and that's only because I haven't found a self-care insert that I really love. So let's see what's going on here. And it says we have 3 months at 15 weeks. Okay, it says I am strong, and then we've got the months of the year here on the right. Oh, okay. Vertical layout. We've got Monday through Sunday up here. We've got a section for mind, body, and soul. And here in the mind, it's a blank section. And then in the body, you've got a place to track your weight, breakfast, snack, lunch, dinner, dinner, how many steps you took, any type of exercise you may have done that day, in addition to tracking your water intake. Just below it, you have a section to track your sleep quality. So you got hours and quality. And then down here, it says soul. And then over here on the right hand side of the page, we've got a section to track gratitude and notes. So, wow. And this is Monday through Sunday again, if I haven't already said that. And then it looks like we've got 5 or 6 weeks of each month. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 weeks. It does say 15 weeks total. So that is month 1, and then month 2. Okay, there's a different quote here. This one says, I am capable. Okay, and then it's built the same. Okay, let's see what the quote is for the 3rd month. I am powerful. So I am strong, I am capable, I am powerful. So I can definitely see myself using these. This is the self-care insert from Jane's Agenda. It lasts for 3 months, 15 weeks total. Next we have our dashboard set. Y'all, I've said this before, I'll say it again. One of the reasons that I genuinely love Jane's Agenda is being able to switch up my planner every single month, and it's not all that expensive. And I don't have to shop at a bunch of different shops to make everything cohesive for the month. So the first thing we have here is this vellum. It says A New Era of Me, February 2023. And then we've got some more florals like we saw on the box tour card. Cute vellum. Ooh. And then we have this oil painting, and sis is getting her self-care on, drinking a glass of wine. Yes, drinking wine is self-care. I said it. Ooh, that layers well. Look at that. That's pretty. And then next we have this Parisian balcony. Y'all, these dashboards are soft. I don't know what's going on. I don't think they're this soft typically every month, but these are soft. Let's see how that layers. That layers well too. Very nice, very nice. So this is the decorative dashboard set. Next we have the reversible dashboard set. Okay, I'm liking this. It's a Parisian building. And then on the other side, ooh, look at the florals, y'all. We have the blush peonies on linen. That's pretty. That is very pretty. Yeah, that's very pretty. That will layer well. So this is the reversible dashboard set. And then last but certainly not least, y'all, we have our cover for the month of February. So it says that it is white ink and a delicate floral line drawing, and that's exactly what it is, y'all. I know it's going to be difficult to see with the lights, but let me put it at an angle. Super pretty, super pretty. That's the back because it has the Jane's Agenda logo there, so that's the back. So let's see how this kind of layers. Ooh, ooh. See, I'm gonna have a hard time when I'm ready to set my planner up for February, but these are the laminated dashboards. Okay, so we've gone through the box. We've got our laminated dashboards, right? We have our reversible dashboard set with the Parisian building and the blush peonies, and then we have our yeah, that's gone. So then we have the other dashboard set. We have our self-care insert, which is 3 months, 15 weeks. We have our habit tracker tip-in, the notations journal. We have our quote cards. We have our super soft pen case. We have our large corner adhesive pocket. We've got our page finder, the Frixion ball pen, and our rose gold paper clips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think about this month's box, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.